A cold weather advisory has been issued across Ireland by Met Éireann. Gerry Murphy, senior forecaster with Met Éireann. What can we expect over the next few days, Gerry?
Good morning, Shane. Well, really, we have a cold spell across the country for this week in general as high pressure dominates the weather. So really, it's going to be a cold week both by day and by night. Now, this morning, for example, we have fog patches in places, and we also have very low temperatures. Temperatures overnight go down to minus 4.7 in County Roscommon. So between the frost and ice and the fog, it's certainly a morning for taking great care on the roads, and that will be typical of what we can expect through the week. So overall, daytime temperatures rising to between about 3 and 6 degrees, and the nights the temperatures dropping down well below freezing with icy patches and fog in places as well. Not widespread and not everywhere, but this is typical of what we can expect really through the week. So it's a cold spell that would be typical enough for winter in Ireland.
Yeah, absolutely. How long do you expect the cold snap to last for, Gerry?
Well, it's over. The current indication suggests that it's going to continue through the week and indeed over the weekend as well as the winds become northerly. So really at the moment, at least for the next week, it does look like we're going to see this cold weather continuing. But currently, while it is expected to be cold with frosty nights and fog at times, there isn't any drastic extreme weather in the offing with it, other than the frost, the ice, and the fog.
Good to hear. Can we expect the kind of beautiful dry conditions we got over the weekend?
Yes, in some places, yes, you can expect good sunshine as well. Probably the east of the country will probably bring the most cloud because it's mostly easterly breezes feeding in off the Irish Sea with a bit more cloud and a few showers at times. But certainly over the Midlands, the western half of the country, once any fog clears, then there'll be plenty of bright sunshine.
Now, finally, Gerry, I saw a man on Saturday morning. I was out earlier. I saw a man coming off his bike in Drumcondra. Roads quite slippy. Many parents will be back on the school run today. Kids might be out cycling or walking to school. What can they expect on the roads?
Yes, well, really, that's the main thing. As I said, the hazardous conditions usually both the frost and any fog patches as well. But roads certainly potentially icy, very potentially treacherous where there are significant icy patches like running water or anything like that. But a good number of the roads are dry. But having said that, there will be icy patches on all roads this morning and on many of the mornings over the next week.
Yeah, okay. Thank you indeed for that, Gerry Murphy, senior forecaster with Met Éireann. Do take care if you're out there. As I say, I saw a man come off his bike on Saturday morning. It can be quite dangerous at the moment out there, so please do take care.